What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today, no, we're not in Copart.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Citrus Avenue.
You got that? Make a left on Citrus Avenue. Anyway, the place where I'm buying the cars now, it's called Manheim. It's a place only for dealers. Only if you have a dealer license.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Citrus Avenue.
Only if you have a dealer license, you're able to purchase in this place. I do have a dealer license.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto the I-10 San Bernardino freeway ramp.
Okay, you know what? Let's chat you up. Yeah, as you can see, everything. The car's running fine. We're doing now 780. Oops, we gotta slow down a little bit. It didn't feel like I was going 80. So let's slow down a little bit. Car runs great. There's no vibrations. The only noise that I hear, and it's very common in these cars, is the AC fan, or I don't know, there's something inside the dash right here that starts making a clack 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 noise like that. It's really annoying, but it's something that we can fix. It's not like the ones in Copart that we gotta find doors, we gotta find hoods, we gotta find suspension parts. It's a lot easier. It's a lot better experience also to come and buy, because first of all, I'm not in the dirt like in Copart. They have a paved parking lot. The action happens on the shade. They have ACs. They have fans going on at the same time. They give you coffee. They sell also food if you want to buy some food. I didn't buy any because I bought some. Plus I'm cheap. But yeah, overall it's a hell of a lot better experience than Copart. The only thing is, like I said, if you're not a dealer, you're not allowed to go in. If you work for a dealer and you have your seller's permit from the DMV, then you are allowed to go inside the yard and look at the cars. And like I said, all the cars have the keys in it, so you can try them, you can start them, you can turn it on, you can probably drive them around a little bit. But yeah, overall, this is a lot better company. Hell of a lot better company. I'm still gonna go to Copart, you know, just to make videos for you guys. But I think for purchasing cars and selling them, I think this is a better deal for me. Sorry, man. Alright guys, second week here. We got a gate pass.
As we do each and every way, tender to the money about cargo. Is in the hizzle for shizzle. Bitter to buy.
¿Cómo se te hace la camioneta?
Tender to the money about green eye guarantee. Pillow like caution.
La madre de atrás, mira.
The light will be. And as always, as his wares are cutting, no mechanical or frame. Tender to the money about, so ladies and gentlemen, about 15 minutes from now, we're going to get this party started. #1 sales, Southern California, Manheim. Tender to the money about SoCal is in the house.
Left.
Yeah, you buy. Okay, you buy yesterday, anything?
Lo malo es que no podemos estar en todas las pinches.
That's Manheim. That's security. Ahí está una chiquita.
A ver, de adentro.
Ana. Este y este son eléctricos. Esas son eléctricos. Este es el 14. Right, guys, I'm gonna give you the scoop. This is Manheim. Manheim is a place where you come in. It's dealers only. What's the thing? Dealers only. Where's the band thingy? This place is a lot better than Copper. That's one you don't have to worry about frame damage, hidden damage, nothing, because this car's all ready to go. It even says here 7 days guarantee. The frame and everything is good. I cannot show you guys the auction, but I can show you at least a little bit of the cars and stuff. Carfax, okay. Allá estaba un pinche Toyota que también está bueno. Estaba hasta allá.
¿Quieres ir para allá y yo espero esto?
¿Quieres camioneta tú?
Sí, las camionetas me las piden mucho.
¿La aprendiste?
Sí, prendo la batería de 300.
Alright guys, so the wife wants to get a truck. So this one sounds pretty good. ¿Qué prendió ahí? It's got some rough interior. Interior's pretty rough. Missing the seats in the back. $135,000 miles. Cold AC. Looks pretty good, no leaks. So I need a battery probably. No leaks anyway. Le faltan los asientos atrás.
Oh.
It's got decent wheels. Pretty decent. The only damage I see is this one. The interior is pretty rough. But we'll see how much it goes for. Alright guys, first test drive. First impressions. This car, it's awesome. Okay, what? Do not enter. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Exit. Oh, you guys see the exit. Where's the exit? There's rows and rows of cars, and they all work. They all work. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry, Copper, but I gotta go. Oh, right here. Exit. It's right here. Where is the darn exit? There you go. Look, cold AC, touchscreen, no warning lights. Car is driving great. Cold AC, touchscreen. Rows and rows of nice drivable cars that you can just buy and flip, and that's what this one's gonna be. It's gonna be a flip. If you guys want to see more, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. That way you get notified every single time I make a video. And with that, that's a video for today, you guys. I hope you guys like it, and stay tuned for the next adventures. Because like I said, we may not even have to go to Copart anymore. That being said, alright you guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the out of my way. I'm DUI, hardly ever caught sober. And you about to get rid of get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Move. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Move. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Move.
Alright guys, it's been a few days since we got the car from Manheim, and I've been driving it, and I already fixed all the dents that it had, and the car has been driving strong. I already cleaned it. As you can see on the pictures, I replaced the hood and the bumper and the grill. That's pretty much it I did to it. I'm gonna show you guys the interior. The remote is not working because I just bought it. This car was a repo, so it came with a brand new key but no remote. So you can see it fires right up. I've already cleared the check engine light. That was due to it being low on oil. It only needed like a quart and a half of oil, and it cleared the check engine light. AC, it's cold. Like I said, I already cleaned the interior. As you saw in the pictures before, carpet was black, seat was nasty, dirty, and now they are all clean now. So very happy with this purchase. Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And tell me what you think about Manheim. I mean, I like this place a lot. It's a lot better than Copart. I can't say that enough. But if you did like it, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon on the next one. God bless you. Take care. We are gone. 300 horsepower, baby. Oh, yeah.